So guys, we will be trying out the new churro donuts of Krispy Kreme. So, here it is. 6 donuts with 3 dips. The white chocolate, the dark chocolate, and the caramel. I hope this is worth the hype. Let's try first the donut, churro donut alone lang. Kung cinnamon lover ka, I think you will like this. Yun. Let's try first the caramel dip. Ito hindi na ininit, pero okay na siya. Come on, let's try this one. Ooh! Look at that! Agan. Masarap siya. Look at that! Sarap niya. Sarap niya. Next, we will try this chocolate dip. Okay. I think I found my favorite dip. Not yet awake. May isa pa. May white chocolate pa. The last dip is the white choco. White chocolate. Look at that. May ganung effect si caramel at saka sa white choco, no? Pero si dark choco wala. Parang thicker, siya. Thicker dip siya. Ooh. Look at that. Bet ko din si white choco. Taste niya yung parang Toblerone na yung puti. Gusto ko din siya. So, if you are really a cinnamon lover, plus the dip, it's a churros, then donut, magugustuhan nyo to. Tapos alam mo ba, pasalubong kasi to ng aking husband from Manila. So, ubusan daw talaga, like sold out, minute. Buti na lang nakahabol siya ng isang box. Isang box na lang pa talaga na iwan. Pero na lang. Pinabalik ko siya. Kung meron pa, sold out na raw eh. So, good thing. Thanks for the pasalubong, Papa Cesar. You try this. Sana hindi to, alisin sa menu ni Krispy Kreme ang kanilang ito. This is my favorite. The white choco. Bet ko siya. 6 pieces with 3 dips. I think sulit naman siya for the hype. It's 390 siya. Okay na. The dark decadent chocolate, creamy white. This is my favorite. And sweet caramel. Obviously, nasa talaga siya for sweet tooth. Kasi talagang dessert siya. Talagang dessert siya. Matamis. So, if you have sweet tooth, worth the tayo siya. The donut itself, it's very light and fluffy. Soft. Hindi ko naiinit, diba? Sulit. With dark choco talaga siya. Diba? It's decadent dark chocolate. Let's rate these churro donuts from Krispy Kreme. This is a classic donut na coated with cinnamon and sugar. For me, it's 10 out of 10. Definitely worth the hype. And then securely pack pa yung mga dips, 3 dips of caramel, dark chocolate, and white. Definitely worth it naman siya for 390 pesos. Okay na okay siya. Will I buy it again? Definitely yes. So, that's it. You should try it, guys. Sana hindi to maalis sa menu ni Krispy Kreme. Pero for sweet tooth talaga to dahil talagang matamis siya. Lalo na si caramel and perfect pair for your coffee. So the hype is real. Try it, guys. So that's it for today. Bye!